Now, Jamaican dog blood is the #1 herb for anything female reproductive issues. It doesn't matter if it's cysts, fibroids, BV, yeast, infertility, every and anything. So this is called dog blood because of the red berries. Why them choose the dog blood? I know. It's like me crying.
Right.
But infertility issues, we've had women drink 2 to 3 cups a day for probably 3 to 4 months, and they were able to get pregnant faster than doing IVF. And then some women that do IVF, this is actually able to help push them into the state that they need to be in order to get pregnant. And then cysts, we've had women clear out cysts, we've had women eliminate fibroids with just this single herb alone. But obviously consistency is key, so 2 to 3 cups a day, almost every day. You probably take 1 week off in the month just to allow your body to regulate. Regular inflammation, it's also called inflammation weed.